How to see who added your TikTok video to favorite. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Adding your video to favorite means simply clicking on your video and on the right side clicking on bookmark like option. That is adding your video to favorite. Now to see who added, go to inbox at the bottom. After you click on inbox at the bottom, you will find activity in here. Simply click on activity in here. After you click on activity, you'll find notifications of people adding your video to favorites. As you can see, added your video to favorites. And this is how to see who added your video to favorite. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.